Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide clock behind objects on lock screen on the iPhone 17 Air. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the lock screen just like I am. So what you guys want to do is whenever you're on the home screen, just swipe on the left right here, and now you'll see that you are on the lock screen. So next, what you guys want to do is hold your finger and then click on customize, and here you either need to enable the spatial scene in order to make it work, but in some wallpapers you don't have to, but you need to make sure that your wallpaper has an object. For example, mine has a labubu. So now whenever I enable depth effect, as you guys can see, it's just not working, but when I enable the spatial scene, now it does work. So we can click done, and as you guys can see, it all matters if your wallpaper is either with an object or if the spatial scene is enabled. So now, as you guys can see, it is hidden. We can move it upwards to see the full hour, but now it is hidden behind a labubu. So now we can go back, and as you guys can see, it is definitely hidden. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.